Xposed GH, maybe I'll be able to check a CMO. The name is Babros, the biggest party in Africa. I Opa Kongugosis here, and Mama Dimbako, me and Makwe, the richest guy, me, I'll say 40 years party. Massa, well, we blue baby, well, blue baby. Now, answer na blue party. Invitation cry, a ma obino, Zaramanya invitation, no be mono, Massa credit card in a room, ever invitation, bra.
I just received my invite from Mr. Richard Lee Amakwe for his birthday party. Trust me. Now, let me go and open and see what is in there. Oh, God damn it. Damn it. Could you look at this? Oh my God. Yeah. Big boys. Could you look at the invite? Oh my God. Oh, damn it. Could you look at that? Like Visa card. Oh God. Sikedo. Lumbakano. Sika. Forget it. Uniska. This is very beautiful. And for that reason, I'm going to show up with one of my best shoes. I mean, one of my best shoes. Watch out and see the kind of shoes Don Papa is going to bring. Oh God. Oh, I believe I can fly. In your manya ke mayema freaky.
I can cry.
We're big boys talking. Big boys talking. Zara man said we're big, but we said this is big boys talking. Nah, Mr. Party National. And the creme de la creme. The creme de la creme. Governors from Nigeria. The finest men from our land. The East Legon executive. People from all sorts of like the slave queens. I obey you the tunnel. We say a too rosy. Yes, you say no, so. No, say, oh God, my God, yes. And I say yes. Now me now look at the decoration. Serious decoration. No, this is on point. This is just on point. But let's see and be a papa and then America. Listen, I'm not obviously can't talk pressure about the youth. No, I'm not. Don't do that. Life is time bounded. Shall we come in charge of you? America training. Oh yeah, Obia Utemia, I didn't know Sonia. Somebody to look up to. Number 2, take risk. Utie me Amakwea. Our Godfathers. I a good baby who despite who Nigeria for no bow to them. I need bowing and Godfathers or pay homage. We are in a country where people don't aspire to have Godfathers. Me, I'm a proud Ghanaian today because I have always said, it is time the youth of Ghana make money. Money, serious money. Party now, Papa, no. Oh, the celebrity list now. This man spent over $5 million on the celebrity list. I'm telling you. Oh, decoration. Yes, that compared $250,000. Then it goes on and on. What's it? He has planned. Now, when you know, I have Godfathers. Whatever meaning you read into it, and you may have a problem. Me, I'm just going to the positive side. Godfather means people that you look up to. Then you make say, and we say, so we shall and confirm your self from Swadamfu. Baby, make sure say your friends you can look up to them. How do you look up? And by looking up, it's somebody we shall from. No, they don't even aspire you to work great. Party no, or be a way younger, be a share, you could be no. Ube say a yes, yourself, bra. Because bra, you can attract the very best in life. This man at the age of 40 also a retire on the human being. Because only be one brand the winner, it was so retire. Number 2, what's the customer? He has taken lots of risk in life. Ghanaians naturally we are not risk takers. We are taking risk. Then we want to make sure say at the end of the tupa maybe babwa and you want to proud baby no and mouse cababre. And they are sabe obi so obey no and we are billionaire. It's another papa no actually identify and look at another section. how do you identify where you can make the most money? It means that you need to have what we call an eagle eye. You need to be smart intellectually, financially, physically, and spiritually too. And yes, no. Yes, can be an okay. Was it with pure water? With away, but at the corner, the secret place, no child would die. I just saw a Godfather, only Godfather, one child would die. It's one of them, compare Godfather. Because when young Godfather, no one tell the secret place of God where money is. Now, what's went to be a Koha? Masabemabo. Now, when you let you know, one person, and a force of the call, shut up the Wale, one Kobi. Now, the point that you're naming was a summer kind here. I was at the
Hi. Mama, if we do it, I go do pepper powder. Where we put for bento inside. Me the best sabun you know to move back what them wada. Obi abeni about 2 am obi abeni. Mubane when you running stomach. When you running stomach cause mu pese me kosu. So we say Shatta Wale see obeji $1 million na there na Shatta na there and you mama ti no tell. What tinion? And you mama ti no say me motivate. What tinion? Then I can say betu and you keke. You the first time where even principality show itself to you. Principality show itself to you. You know, go thank God the principality can show itself to you. See somebody do. This guy mix we with request. Your father said we no buy Trasaco before said we did they chop your father and you said we no talk. I will block you. You will come again. Why? Why? Why Jim if you see somebody who mix with, you go see him a boy. This is the nonsense they tell you for internet. And Shatta Wale they do cocaine. Shatta Wale they take this, and Shatta Wale when he take that, and Shatta Wale and they come do campaign. Say no to drugs. If I come your area where they do drugs, they will beat you. Those drugs where people they do for area where. Cause if you see somebody where do drugs, you go come buy Trasaco, you go get Rolls Royce. I go they come areas. Make I see boys when they say they take things, so they remain that. Principality commit you. Say you put it, misinform the public. This guy, if he take cocaine, don't worry. When I enter your side, then you go show me who they take drug and who they take drug. Cause the person where they take drug, if he get weight past me, go tell me. Poor, they got the right nonsense to somebody take drug. You see somebody take drug before? I see somebody take drug, they wear diamond chain. That's why if you people way I don't make it go on. It's me. Your life. You just a day life. You can't watch principality for life. Powers of darkness. You can't watch me for life. If you say you're going to survive, you will survive. But you're going to survive. In fact, this service about the premier electricity, people give you light off. You alone. You'll be in doom so for 90 days. You alone. You will be in doom so. And not be only doing so, your life will also be dark. Because they like you, they like you. And Shatta, they do drugs. Somebody where they do drugs, see machine I pack for my house. Things I pack, see gadgets I get, see things I get for myself. The money I get, or they say they do drug. And Shatta, if you take something small, hey, like Bama, Jimmy Anna, like Jimmy, like Muyoke. Because Ghana know they pay you, so I make I do my para. Hey. Oh. Hey. This is what they won't make powers of darkness worry them. Hey, the para say. Hey. Alma. What at all do you want from Shatta Wale? What at all do you want from Shatta Wale? See, I work hard myself. Me now they play beats, I they mix, I they master, I they load them for my YouTube, I do my everywhere, all the platform. I do my DSPs, I sit down, wait for my money, now I cash out. You know they find you. Or if you say Ghana government way to do that for me. If you say Ghana government way to do that for me, you did there. Nothing they happen for you. You don't go find something to do.
Your problem is they say Shatta Wale. But if you see somebody where they do drug, you know you see you don't go to do. You don't go to do. You go see them and compare see the pack Rolls Royce for that now. You talk to me cry. You me. Those things where they so if I get those they feel laughing. You just say I know they work for town where somebody even tell me that before. But I like I could beat the person basa basa.
Shatta the Wale. What's a big boy? That's what I'm going. According to sources, no, your man $200,000. Also, because platinum will be of Tanzania. Your man is 600,000. But Shatta, the patch with all due respect, what to be for platinum? And to talk Shatta Wale, I'm telling you, Massa, your levels. If Sakwa to 200,000, now Shatta Wale who put you 200, I think it's fair. Somebody even to 200,000. But Mami can be sure. Shatta, what you missed was not the money or the party. It's the links that you could have gotten. Me assure Sakwa there, and yes, you cannot all this same got 200,000 to Sakwa there is no money. Even stone boy. But only the links that you have there, the people that you meet, the kind of people that you can have businesses with, that was important. And that was what Shatta Wale missed. Sometimes you let down your ego and think outside the box. So at the end of the day, it's not too much about the money, but at the end of the day, who am I going to meet? So at the end of the day, meeting big boys, big players. Not something at me or pin, other business goer. It doesn't matter the money you are taking. Go. I wasn't invited. All writing I can show the big boy level. But to everybody who had a chance, make sure you make the most out of it. When you are called the man, you make contacts. What is the contacts? Make sure you follow up because an opportunity that they be. Slave place now, so my idea. One shot bad way can a worm. Why yes, and you two. Oh my God. We say Namia body. Namia body and fat. When you know about maybe I am there to say Ghana has become a center of the world. And the biggest party in Africa that will open up. Abrafo can watch them. CNN for that can watch them. You see me and we're breaking the barriers. We're setting new pace, new standard. That consequence when your party will be. It's women I'm a proud Ghanaian. I don't know about you. I expose you to FM Babos. Subscribe, share, edit 2 man, Manuel.